Tell us what happened here.
Oh my God. Man, you speak English. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm a journalist, you know? I have all my documents with me.
Did he hit hard?
Not so hard. I fell down and hit my head a little, but now I'm okay. Really.
Sure not? What year now?
It's 1979, man. Are you kidding me?
Country. Where are we?
In the Soviet Union, man. I hit my head, not so hard. I'm okay. I just wanted to take some pictures and that's it.
Is American president black?
Sorry?
Is American president black?
American President Black? You're kidding me, man!